cutting off my head. So we're back. Not really, kind of. It is 10 o'clock right now, so I'm a little quiet. I'm a little tired, and I don't know what happened here, but it's like red and it's cute. We love it. And we're thirsty. I have packages. I'm so excited. So I was really excited to get this thing that I'm going to show you guys, and I'm in my sweatpants because it's 10 o'clock. Oh my god, and it's so heavy. What's on the front? Is this the front? Okay, I think. Ugh. We have this. Oh, look at that ring light. Okay. We have a Cricut maker. So, these cool little things. Oh, they're cutting machines. What's a cutting machine? Right? What's a cutting machine? So, it's this cool little thing that looks like a printer. So it's a cutting machine, and it can cut into like any fabric. And so I can make all my cute little projects that I see on Pinterest, and I want to be a Pinterest mom and it just doesn't work for me. This machine will help me do that. I'm talking like, I saw a pin that showed me how to make like holiday pillowcase, and it cuts the fabric and it cuts the little thing. Okay, I'm gonna open this, and I also have like a ton of things that go with it, so I'm really excited. I just have to figure out how to open this box. So this is the box it comes in, and it's very big, but it has a handle, so I mean, you can hold on to things. You can have a handle on life. Oh my goodness. When you first open it up, it says, "Let's get started." To begin, go to Cricut.com/setup. Materials for your first project. What's in here? Hold on. Okay. What's my first project? Ooh, it looks so fancy. Aw. See, we have like a fabric and like kind of cardstock. And another one. Ooh, I wonder what my first project's gonna be. This is also in there. Ooh. Okay, we have welcome book, ready to get started. It's gonna tell me everything that's in the box and like how to make, see, like look at this. Wow, I'm excited. So we also have a cord and a Cricut pen. Ooh, cute. Fancy. Oh my god. Ah. Ooh. Wow. And she's wrapped up like this. Oh my god. You guys. Wow. That's beautiful. So this is the Cricut maker. And I think I got the champagne color. I could be wrong, but I'm almost positive that's what it is. Almost hit myself in the face with the power cord. Let's take the plastic off this thing. She's so pretty. Oh my god. How beautiful is that? I'm like, oh, I'm in love. Merry Christmas, happy holidays to me. I'm like so excited. I'm gonna make so many projects with this thing. Like I already have so many ideas because I always want to be that mom that sends Marin with like super cute little things for school when they like give everyone their little gifts and stuff like that. So I am gonna have so much fun with this. Like, and so what I love about this is you can literally, they have so many other tools that you can buy for it. And I mean, they sent me some, so I mean, I'm already a little ahead, but I know that it can cut through certain kinds of wood, and it can cut fabric, and it can cut vinyl and cardstock and everything. Like seriously, it does so much. And I know that the Cricut maker can cut a lot more than the Explorer, which was the one I was originally looking at the Explorer. So I am so excited that I have the maker now, because this literally cuts everything that the Explorer can cut and more. Like, It can do everything and then some. It's like super fancy. Ooh. We love that. Look at that. We open it and you can see inside and see like all the buttons and stuff like that. It's so pretty. Like, this is my baby. It smells new. Ooh. Then we have a fabric grip cutting mat. Pretty and pink. Love. And then a light grip cutting mat. Cricut was also nice enough to send me this thing. Isn't it pretty? This is the Easy Press. The Easy Press 2, my bad. So, see all these little projects right here? I can make all of these. Anything that I cut with the Cricut, I can use this to press it on to whatever fabric I need to. Let's do this. Go in here. We have some registration. Ooh, that's cute. And so see, I can just literally press this onto something. How pretty is that? And see, it shows me how right here. So you literally just press it on. And this is the bottom. Ooh. Yes. Okay. Here we go. And it comes in a little baggie. Okay, let's open the bag. Whew. So this is the Easy Press 2. Looks like that on the other side. And I got the 9x9, which is like pretty big. So pretty. Okay. Oh yeah, and then see, it just sets on there. Super cute. I'm so excited for the Easy Press 2 because that was one thing that kind of worried me. Was I know you can like cut out stuff for like iron-on transfers, but I don't like the irons. They kind of scare me. So I love that this is perfect and it fits everything. Like you don't have to like run it over a lot. Like it's a pretty big size. Like, let me see again. Like, I mean, this is a pretty big size. So like anything that I'm going to use it for probably is going to be covered by this, and you literally just press it on. Like, that's so cool. And it's got the handle, so you literally just press it down. I love it. And it has all the buttons right here. Like the power button and the temp and the time. Everything. So nice. So Cricut was also nice enough to send me like a ton of stuff for this. Like, I'm talking a ton of stuff. Like, this is the metallic sampler of vinyl. And so it comes with like a bunch of different colors. I don't know if you can see that. Like a ton of different colors that comes with. And that one, it's all metallics. Then I also got, this is Everyday Iron-On Classic Sampler. And so this one has like some other colors too. Like, can I show you without it? Like, this light is killing me, but it's dark, so. And then this vinyl is the Home Sampler. And this one has more like green and navy blue and baby blue. Oh, see, it shows you the colors right there, but it's like all in here, like a big sampler pack. I think this is another sampler pack. Yes. And then this is the bright sampler, and it is very bright. We have like a bright yellow, bright green, like a ton of bright colored vinyl. We have, this is Everyday Iron-On, the Elegant Sampler, and it has like a pretty red. I'm like making so much noise with that. And then we have a knife blade. Ooh, we have a knife blade right there. And then we have the scoring wheel. Oh, Easy Press mat. That's nice, very soft for my new Easy Press. And then we have, for use with the standard grip mat, we have some cardstock, 20 sheets. Love cardstock. That's gonna be fun. And I think we have some more cardstock. We have a Cricut True Control knife. And, ooh, the Bright Pad for tracing, weeding, and more. It's super nice. And so that is everything that I got. So what do you think? Should we do like a DIY together? I think that would be fun to like kind of find something on Pinterest and I'll try it out and see how well it goes on with my Cricut. Would that be fun? I think it'd be fun. So the holidays are coming up, and so if you know you're like, hey, I think that's what I want, it's great because you get it as a gift or you can give it as a gift and then you can make gifts with it. Like, come on. So I just think it's great because you like, it's an investment kind of thing. So if you want to see like the different styles and all the different products that I showed in this video, you can go check down below. I have the link and it will take you to where you can kind of see everything. I think it comes in a rose as well, the Cricut maker, and then obviously like the vinyl and everything is going to come in like every color. Like I know they have glitters, like the little green guy. Isn't it so cute? I love this. But yeah, so everything will be on there. And then the Easy Press I think comes in 3 sizes now. And then obviously there's the other Cricuts too, but I think the maker is by far the best one because it does everything that all the other machines do and more. And so I mean, obviously if you're gonna want to do a lot of crafts, you want your machine to be able to do like anything, because what if you like buy one and you're like, oh well, now I wish I could do that. So that was my unboxing and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm sweating. And it's cute. It's like sticking to my neck. We love it. It is the day before Thanksgiving. It's actually like, I still have to clean more. It is almost 11 o'clock at night and I have to wake up early because I'm cooking and then I'm going to people's houses and it's going to be a long day. And this is saying because it's my nighttime mode. So if you try to call me right now, it will not go. But anyways, I think I'm going to try and film tomorrow. We'll see how that goes. Probably not gonna happen, but we're gonna try it. So quick update, I'm in school right now. I started going to school again, and so that's why I've kind of been like MIA, because I've been in school and Marin's been in school and we've been doing a lot of different things, but I am going to attempt to vlog more now that I've kind of gotten most of this semester done. I like tried to get some of my classes taken care of in advance so that way I can like have more free time. So yeah, a lot of essays and a lot of tests and a lot of stuff that I was not ready for, but that's my quick little update. And yeah, anyways, it's not a phone call, but